If you live in New Albany, Ohio, and you're thinking about downsizing, or you're thinking about selling your New Albany house and downsizing at some point in the near future, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years we've been working with home sellers and residents in and around New Albany, Ohio. And one of the most frequent and common calls that we get is people who are downsizing. And we already know if this is your situation, you're not looking to give the house away, you're looking for something fair. And you're looking for something easy. You're not looking to make repairs to the house, and that's exactly what we could accommodate here when you're downsizing and you have a house in New Albany, Ohio. And people like working with us because we're going to do exactly that. Keep it convenient. We're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. You don't need to fix anything. You don't need to clean anything or haul anything away. And we're not relying on a bank approval. So when you work with a traditional buyer, with a realtor where you're paying commissions, that type of buyer typically is going to need approval from a bank, and they're going to need an appraisal, and you're going to have 100 people walking through the house. It's not that way at all. We are going to keep it extremely easy. We're a cash buyer, so there's no relying on approvals or external forces to approve us to work with you and keep this simple and purchase your house. And you're not going to have to do any work. It's going to be very easy. And here's the big thing. Since there's no approvals needed, since we're a true cash buyer, we could close on your timeline. So if you want to sell your New Albany house quickly, we absolutely could accommodate that. Or if you need more flexibility, like maybe you need something to happen, like find your new place. If you need help finding a new place, we can help with moving. We can help with everything. We're local. So we're very well networked, and we can help you with anything that you need with this move or with the sale of the property. But we're local. This isn't some call center in a foreign land. We're going to treat you like a neighbor. We're going to treat you fair, just like we've done with hundreds and hundreds of people. We've been around a long time. We have tons of reviews and testimonials and good references when buying your New Albany house. So if you are downsizing and you're looking just to know what your options are, give us a call here at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We are local, as I mentioned, and very easy to work with. We buy houses in New Albany, Ohio, and a lot of these houses are people just like you who are downsizing. They want something fair, and that's what we're here to provide. So our number, once again, is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.